Hello coders! Welcome to FastCoder 21 free medical coding YouTube channel. Today's session we are going to learn best tips to find medical coding jobs in United States of America. So if you want latest updates in medical coding, please join in our Telegram group. Link is mentioned in the description of this video. So in this video we are going to learn where do we find medical coding job. What are the best websites for medical coding jobs? What are the keywords in order to find a medical coding job? And how to improve our network in order to get medical coding job? And also what type of job we need to select, like 1099 versus W2. If you are visiting for the first time, please subscribe to our channel to receive future updates. In order to know more updates and in-depth knowledge, please watch this video until the end. Nowadays, it's very difficult to find medical coding job in United States of America. If you are having the experience, you can get the job immediately. But if you are a fresher and willing to join as a medical coder, it is very problematic. But don't worry, here we are going to provide you with few tips in order to get medical coding job as a fresher. So if you are a fresher, you no need to wait to until the medical coding job you get. So in order to enter into medical coding, you need to search jobs like medical record technician, prior authorization jobs, patient representative jobs, and entry level biller jobs. And also they will provide training for billing jobs. And you can join as a charge poster, scheduler, and claims assistant, data entry for physician office, and also you can work as a front desk. So basically all these jobs are related to healthcare field. So at one point these jobs will utilize the medical coding. So if you work in these specialty jobs, you are going to have good understanding of medical coding and you will get good exposure towards job searching. For example, if you have joined in a one company, they have provided you as front desk. What happens here? If you are works as a front desk, you got to know about more conditions related to patients. So in order to know medical coding properly, you need to have good anatomy and physiology understanding. So if you are working or work as a front desk officer, you are going to get good exposure in medical coding or anatomy and physiology related to healthcare field. So if you want to know medical coding, initially you can watch free YouTube videos. There are plenty of videos on YouTube. You can watch those videos freely in order to learn medical coding. So you can take the CPC certification from AAPC and this will provide you with a good opportunity in order to get or start as a medical coder. So after you are having the sufficient knowledge in medical terminology and physiology, you need to search the websites of hospitals and insurance providers. So if you check those hospital websites and insurance provider websites, they will put some job openings in their websites. So using those websites, you can send your resume to those companies. And also few companies will take a internship and few companies will provide you as externalship. So what is internship? So using the internship process, they will provide the opportunity to work as a medical coder and they will provide you the hands-on experience in medical coding. So if you get the opportunity as a intern, immediately you can join there and no need to think about the money here. So getting job is very important in at this situation. So as soon as you get the intern position, you need to join there immediately. So if you want to work as a externalship, like AAPC will provide externship, there also you can, but both are useful in order to enter into medical coding field. So what are the websites in order to find a medical coding job. So if you see here, this is Cigna Healthcare. If you go here, if you search this website, you will find the medical coding job. So if you don't have the medical coding job at current situation, just using the career section of this website, and you can apply for any job. Whenever there is a opening, they will call you. And if you see, this is Humana website. So here also you need to see, and you need to apply for any job opening. And this is Change Healthcare. This is one of the biggest organization in US. Here also you can apply your job. So we are going to touch with all these website using their get in touch option. So what are the keywords in order to find a medical coding job? Usually you can enter in search box as ICD-10 CM coder. Otherwise, you can type it as business support executive. Like you can code it or type it as AR caller and billing executive. So if you enter AR caller or billing executive in that company, you will find the jobs. So these companies may have medical coding jobs also, but instead of AR caller, you can search for medical coding job in that company. Otherwise, you can call them and ask them for any medical coding opening. So in order to find a medical coding, we need to know about two tax forms. Those are 1099 and W2. So what is 1099? So basically 1099 is a contract job. So W2 is a permanent job. So contract job means here employers will pay you more money, but this is temporary. Whenever there is a opportunity, they will sack you. But in W2 jobs, it is a permanent job, and employer will give their salary using their pay slips. In contract job, there is no specific timings, but in W2 job, you need to follow the strict guidelines regarding the timings. So while searching job, you can join any type of job, but after getting some experience, you can change it to W2 jobs. But in contract jobs like 1099, you will get more money compared to W2 job, which are permanent jobs. So where employer will give you the money using their own payroll. So what are the websites here? You have United Health Group, CSI, and Change Healthcare, and few more. And also you can search jobs in USA Jobs also. This is one website. You can search there also. And also you have Enthrive, iMedix, the Coding Network, AviaCode, Humana, Change Healthcare, HImagine Solutions, LoveWorkAtHome.com, Indeed, Maxim Healthcare, as well as United Health Group and CPSI. So these are the uh, medical coding career sites. You can search your medical coding job using these websites. If you want, anyone want these website links, please comment in the comment section. So those links we will provide to you. So one more trick is to, so you need to join in person meetings. So here you are going to improve your networking with fellow coders. What happens here? Few APC chapters will provide you the jobs also. So if there is a opportunity, those chapter officers will provide you the job openings where you can apply for those jobs. So in order to get medical coding job in USA, you need good networking. So you need to interact with the people who are currently working in the healthcare field, and also and we interact with the physicians and interact with the nurses. So interact with the other healthcare professionals in order to gain inputs about their hospitals and their job opening procedure. So most common and important websites for job openings is Indeed.com, which will provide plenty of jobs for medical coders, and LinkedIn also work. And we have few Facebook groups also where you will find the medical coding job. So most importantly, you need to attend all the chapter meetings in order to get the medical coding job. Whenever there is an opportunity, they will provide you. And also you need to check the AAPC websites frequently in order to find the vacancies. Happy coding guys. Thanks for watching Passcoder 21. If you have any comments, if you need any information, please mention in the comment section. As soon as we can find your question and we will provide you with the answer. Thank you guys. Happy coding.